Hi, I'm AM Dassu, author of Boot It, my World Book Day book for 2023. I like to read all sorts of things. I'm not a fussy reader. I love to read historical fiction, contemporary fiction, fantasy, encyclopedias, non-fiction, graphic novels. I love the lot, picture books to adult novels, everything. I love them all. Except for horror. I'm a bit of a wuss. I don't like to read books that are from the horror genre. And the thing that really draws me to a book is usually the cover and the blurb. That's how I choose a book. But now that I'm a lot busier, I will usually go by recommendations online from friends or reviews, which will tell me, what sort of book it is. So yeah, that's how I choose a book.